Welcome to Ohio 555, aka the Triple Nickel. I think about 2 hours from here to Zanesville, Ohio, to the north end. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this road, and then it's on to the destination, which is ultimately home. Basically, Zanesville gets me back to interstate, and then it'll be interstate pretty much till I get back to Iowa, or at least Illinois. And then, yeah. So this is the last of the fun roads until I get back into the driftless anyway. That's all right. The fun roads were not the point of this trip. They were just a nice little bonus. And yeah, this is the last of the bonus roads, so to speak. You can't see the smile in my helmet, I'm pretty sure, but it is definitely here as I'm playing on this road. I do have to be a little bit careful because I have heard tends to be a lot of rock on this road over the course of some of the people that I follow that are out this way. Thanks, Jess. Thanks, Jordan, aka Her Two Wheels and Jordan Ray. This is sort of in their backyard, so I appreciate the information from your videos about this, especially Jess. You did one, I think, last year on it. It was very good information to have. It's a fun road, nice and twisty. This is just a reminder to get out there and enjoy it. Enjoy it while you can, because life is short. And, you know, make sure you make the most of that dash between the years. Alright, enough of that philosophical stuff. Let's just enjoy the road. So as you can tell, it's getting dark. I am 551 miles to my house. It is almost 8 p.m. and I'm gonna just kind of keep going until I feel like I need to make a decision. As of now, I feel really good, and I'm really considering just rolling. So I obviously won't be able to video much more because it's dark, but we'll see how it goes. If I get a chance, I will check in here and there, specifically at my gas stops type of thing. I'm literally 2 gas stops from home, so it's kind of like, do I just keep going? I'm already, it's well over an iron butt today. I didn't document it. I wasn't trying to. It wasn't my intention. It was not a thought when I got up this morning, because the last couple of days I've been pretty well shelled. Today I felt really good, and I feel good yet. And I may stop yet. I don't know. We'll see how I feel in a couple hours. I'll get past Indianapolis here in about an hour and a half, and then we'll see. So, like I said, I'll check in periodically as I can. Obviously, I won't have a whole lot of options, but gas station type stop or something like that, I will. All right. Well, wish me luck, folks. We'll see what the hell happens. I really don't know. It's going to be a lot of interstate, and then we'll see. I don't know. I may be doing a post-mortem tomorrow morning at home, or I may be at a hotel later saying, well, I pulled the plug because I'm tired. We'll see. We'll let you know later. All right. Hey y'all, driftlessbiker here. It is Friday. As you can tell, I'm still on the road because I pushed out at about 10:30 last night, called it, pulled the plug. I had about 6 hours left, and I just couldn't do it anymore. I was getting to the point where I'm like, I can stop now and be good, or I can push on and maybe get too tired and put myself in too much risk. So I pulled the plug. In the light of day, I'm kind of regretting that because I didn't check the weather forecast for today, and there's severe storms going to go through much of Iowa and into Illinois today. Whoops! What do you do? Shit happens. So my GPS is trying to take me at a more of a diagonal straight home-ish. I don't know that I'm necessarily going to do that. I'm on I-74 now, heading between Danville, Illinois and Champaign. I may continue on 74 all the way over to St. Louis area and then go north. I think I can do that and kind of duck between systems. But that's a damn long day if I do. It's like 7, 8 hours. Well, no long, shorter than yesterday by far, but still a long day. Like 7, 8 hours. Now, had I skipped out on Point Pleasant and the Triple Nickel, I would have made it home like 2 in the morning or earlier. But I'm glad I did those roads. I don't regret taking the time for them, and hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad because I am getting pretty significant buffeting on the interstate this morning. What do? You know, weather. You have no control over it. You just got to deal with it. And you know, as my wife said this morning, there's a difference between rain and storms, and what they're talking is some pretty significant storms today, not just rain. They don't look to be it doesn't look to be a particularly wide band of storms, so I have a few options. One of them is I get as far as I can and the storms are coming in, I stop for lunch and let it kind of blow through a little bit and then try and hammer past the back side of it, which is kind of another good option for me because it's only 8 o'clock in the morning and I've got see what I come up with.
Well, Mother Nature made the decisions for me. As you can see, I stopped for breakfast because there was a wall cloud coming in, and I said, you know what? I'm stop for a while. At that point, I pulled my camera for quite a while, pulled all my mics and stuff off. I just said, I'm done recording because there's no point in destroying my cameras trying to. I put it back on for a little bit as I was crossing back into Iowa, just the camera, no mic, and wrapped it up. So this is kind of the final footage, and at this point, I was basically home. I had a few hours, a couple hours to go, but 2.5, 3 hours, but no big deal. Yeah, made it home safe. It was a great, great trip. It served the purpose that I really needed, which was reset my headspace after some things that had gone on and get away from work for a little bit and complete the Continental 49, which, yeah, big goal done. Till next time, this is Driftless Biker. Remember, like, subscribe, follow. Later, y'all.